Question of the day, mother truckers. Have you ever had to use a runaway ramp? And the reason why I'm asking this, of course, is everyone knows about the case in Colorado. And I'm telling you guys right now, a lot of people aren't using runaway ramps because they're afraid that they will get some kind of fine. I'm telling you right now, it's better to live another day than to avoid the ramp and have something extremely worse happen. And so for this reason, I call the Colorado State Trooper's office number and I get the dispatcher on the phone, and the dispatcher says if you're using it for emergency reasons, you will not get a fine. What state was it? Colorado. I'm calling the state trooper right now.
Colorado State Patrol, Cortez Port of Entry, Officer Mueller speaking.
Hi, how are you doing, sir?
Pretty good. How are you?
Good. I had a real question for you. I'm a truck driver, and millions of people watch me, and I educate them about things with trucking, and a lot of people don't know about runaway ramps. And I actually never asked myself, sir, but if a truck driver uses a runaway ramp, do we get fined or in trouble for that, sir?
Oh yeah, I'm sure you wouldn't.
If you are, you definitely won't get cited or in trouble for that, right?
Right. Yeah. Don't take your 30-minute break there or your 10 hours. Just if you need to use it for an emergency, that's good.
No. Well,
Better
no.
that than an accident. So.
Yes, sir. I appreciate you so much for your time.
No problem. You have a good day, sir.
All right. You too. Thank you. I'm saying that again. If you use the runaway ramp for emergency reasons, you will not get a fine. Yeah, they're probably going to do an inspection on your truck to see what was going on. Second, is it going to cost money for the tow truck? Yes, it probably will cost money for the tow truck. But initially, for using a runaway ramp, you will not get in trouble. So, mother truckers, I just want to let so many people know that. There's a lot of people getting into this game right now that if there's something that happens, use that runaway ramp. Don't worry about the rest, but just know that you will not get fined. So I appreciate you guys. Have a great day.